Hello and welcome to Mailtrap videos, where we explore the world of emails. In this video, we explain how to test emails in Excel. Apart from being a powerful spreadsheet software, Excel enables users to send emails. These can be simple notifications or fully automated emails. Don't forget to test emails before sending them to ensure everything looks as expected. For that, you can use a dedicated tool, such as Mailtrap Email Testing, an email sandbox that provides a safe environment for inspecting and debugging your emails. Let's see how you can test emails in Excel. So go ahead to mailtrap.io and click on the Sign Up button. Choose a preferred way of registration. In this case, we'll register with an email. Enter your email address and a desired password, then click on the Sign Up button. Head to the Email Testing tab. Easily create multiple inboxes for various projects and stages, or use the one created by default after your registration. Collaborate with your team efficiently. To integrate Mailtrap email testing in Excel, open the inbox and press Show Credentials to reveal your SMTP credentials. First, we need to prepare Excel for sending emails. Open Excel and then the Options menu. Click on the Customize ribbon tab and ensure the Developer tab is checked. Press OK. After that, you should be able to see the Developer tab in the ribbon. Click on it and open the VBA code editor. Now we need to add a reference to the email architect send email object, which is an ActiveX object. For that, we should download the component library. Before you install it, close the VBA editor and the Excel sheet. Quickly install the library by completing the steps in the installation wizard. Reopen Excel and start with the new workbook. From the Developer tab, open the VBA editor. In the Tools tab, click on the References tab. Find the EA Send Mail Object ActiveX object, mark the checkbox next to it, and click OK. Now it's time to create a module and write an email sending script in it. To create a module, navigate to the Insert menu and click on Module. You'll see a white window in which you can start writing the code. The script should start with the public sub send mail to subroutine declaration. Declare variables that will hold the email details like the sender, name, recipient's email address, subject, body, and body format. Populate each variable with the desired values. Create an SMTP object for the EA Send Mail object and indicate its license code. Here, you should indicate the actual code of your license, but in this example, we'll just use try it, which is the code for the trial version. Set the server address, username, and password for the SMTP server. We'll be using the credentials provided by Mailtrap Email Testing. Go to your email testing account. Copy the SMTP host, username, and password, and paste them into your script one by one. Set the SMTP port and define the connection type as 4. This will set the connection type to try TLS, which means TLS connection will be attempted if supported by the SMTP server. Otherwise, the connection will fall back to normal TCP. Assign the properties to the variables and indicate that the code should run asynchronously. Initiate the email sending process with the send mail object. Save the module. Press the Run button to run the code. Let's check our inbox. The email has successfully arrived. From there, we can start inspecting our test email, review links and buttons, and see how it will be shown on various devices with desktop, tablet, and mobile previews. Then, go to the HTML source tab to see elements that won't be supported by email clients. Move to the HTML check tab to see the level of client support, and filter results based on the device or the mailbox provider. Navigate to the Spam Analysis tab to check the spam score of your emails and view the problematic parameters. Scroll down to see if your sending domain has been blacklisted. You can also check the Text tab to see whether HTML and text versions match, or open the Raw tab to view raw data with email headers and body. Finally, view tech info to see SMTP transaction and email header info. And that's it! You can now easily test emails in Excel. Check our other videos for more information on sending emails from different programming languages and frameworks. We hope you found the tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video, brought to you by Mailtrap, an email delivery platform to test, send, and control your email infrastructure in one place. Like and share this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tutorials like this one. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more useful content on email deliverability. See you in the next one.